lokal.
Managsakan dagiti narway at turista iti panagbuyada ti Tan-ok ni Ilocano Festival of Festivals 2026 iti Pebrero 28 dito Syudad Tilawag. Segon ni Josh, turista manipod Amerika, adaytoy Tan-ok 2026 iti may narinanta a panagbisita dito'y probinsya ti Ilocos Norte. Ket napalaos aragsak na ang makabuya ti Tan-ok tadaytoy ti umuna ang mabuya na iti nasao nga event. Nayon pa ti turista ang nagbalin nga emosyonal isuna iti mabuya na ti Basi Revolve.
One of the most amazing festivals I've ever seen in my life. It's amazing. The people have a phenomenal job. I love this place.
Do you have any favorite?
So I really like the one where I can't remember the barangay that did it, but they did the one about the revolt. That was like very well done. It was really, I thought it was very emotional and tight. I think it was a really great festival. It was a very great performance of like their history.
That was big. I think they were the champion last year.
They were the champions.
They deserve to be the champion.
I think so. In my opinion, I think they did a really well job, and all the performers did really well today. I think it was really great. Thank you.
May I ask which country are you from?
I'm from America.
From America. So, are there any festivals similar to this in your country?
Yes, but not to the same extent that I have it here. I haven't experienced anything that where it's such a traditional one where all the barangays come together and do this. So seeing something like this is very like memorable for me. Yeah.
Just for the last question, are you here just to watch in Ilocos Norte?
Yes, yeah. I'm just here to watch the festival. So today, this is what I'm just here to watch. And we saw it and we were like, okay, we should go. And I didn't expect so many people here. It's really great. Yeah. But I've really enjoyed my time here in Loag and in Ilocos Norte. People are so friendly, so nice, and they come up to you and ask you questions. I love it.
Ti sabali a bangir, inbagan Venice layugan iti ili ti Bacara, ang magustuhan na iti dayto may kadwa panagboya na iti Tan-ok, tamakita na nga amin ang munisipyo dito'y probinsya nga Ilocos Norte, ket nag-effort para iti dayto'y Tan-ok ni Ilocano Festival of Festivals 2026.
All I can say, sir, is I love the effort. Ken nakita DJ pindas na. Amin nga municipality nagited that effort.
Daytoy ti damag manipod Syudad Tilawag. Para ti IFM News, Idol Rain Santos, Tatak, IFM.